Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically automatically reframe your videos in CapCut PC. So it is actually super simple. This is a pro feature though. So for instance, I'm just going to select this video and I want this to be in the 1:1 frame ratio, and I want the subject to always be in the middle. So to auto reframe, this is a pro feature. I think I said that. Select auto reframe here. Select the ratio you want the frame to be. And you can also select the image stabilization and moving speed. So if the subject moves, it's just going to track it so it's in the middle. Select apply, and that's it. That is super simple, but it is a pro feature. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!